we need a GoPro.
All YouTubers have that.
Here, go down there and turn around. There you go. Start turning around. Yeah, turn it all the way. There you go.
I give a little gas.
Well, no. There you go. No, that way. There you go. There you go. You got a long strip. Just keep it straight.
Like this?
Yep. Yeah, a little over this way. Right there. All right, punch it. All right, let off. Brake. Not hard. Slow down. There you go.
This?
Damn, you was almost up to 60.
Really?
Yeah. All right, go on up there and turn around. Well, she's got the radio down. All right, see that right there is where you line up over there. So turn out this way a little ways. Okay. Now turn the wheel all the way that way. There you go. Okay. Line up with the burnout box right here. That's good. Right there. Right there. Straighten it up. Straighten it up. All right, stop. Stop. Okay. Okay.
What's
All right.
this?
Look at your camera.
I don't know.
Just let off brake. Let off brake. There you go. Look at the. Don't look at me. Look at the. Where's that line at?
I'm looking away.
There you go. Right there. Stop. Perfect. All right. Back in drive.
No one.
All right. Let off the brake lightly. I want you to aim out. There you go. Stop. Stop. All right. Now, kill the radio. All right. Now watch this. Okay, you go down here to the track apps. Okay, track apps. Acceleration timer. And we'll go down here to 8th mile. Count down. Okay. Now see that? Now watch. I'm gonna hit it again. Okay, it's ready. And when I hit it again, watch. It'll go green, 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 and then dark green. And when that green, that big one pops up, that's when you hit that. Yeah. All right, now all you do here is just, whenever you're ready, just take your foot off the brake and then just stomp the gas all the way down. Go.
Okay.
Nail it all the way to the floor. Let off. Oh, there you go. Holy shit. All right, sweet. That was awesome. That was awesome.
It was?
Wasn't it?
Yes.
She guesses.
Yeah.
Well, hey, you're a street racer in training.
Yes.
All right, go down there and turn around. They hurt.
My eyes hurt.
You don't have to hit the gas that hard. We're almost out of road. All right. Right before you turn this way. There you go. Then all the way.
Right now?
Yeah, turn all the way. Might slow down a little. Turn the wheel all the way. There you go. That way you stay in this little groove here. This here is where everybody runs like a track. You should be over there. In this lane over here.
Right here? I guess right here.
Yeah, that's good, I guess. There you go. Stop. And then as soon as you take your foot off the brake, you need to put the pedal all the way to the floor. And then,
Okay.
all right, when I tell you to, you know, okay, then that's when you...
When?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, brake. I didn't catch it all the way. Well, we're slowing down. I just, because this thing, it's so curved, you can't tell where the end is. What are you stopping here for? Go up there. You don't have to hit the gas that hard, Lucy. It isn't. Yeah, it's in drive. See here? See that yellow and red stripe? Yeah, you want to go. See, cars line up on either side of that. There you go. Turn all the way. I wanted you to stay out of that sand. That's alright. You're going to have to do a little bit of a burnout to clean the tires off. No. He was right on it. Okay. Straighten it. Stop. Okay. Reverse.
Now what?
Let off brake.
Like straight away?
Yeah, we're going backwards.
Now what?
Stop. Alright.
How do I do a burnout?
Well, hold the brake.
Okay.
And then, well, this time you have to use your other foot too. Put your other foot on the brake and then this one over the gas. There, hold the brake and then push the gas. And then when I tell you to let off of the gas.
Everything? Everything?
Yeah. Hold the brake down. Just hold the brake.
I know.
And then push the gas. Let off. Perfect. That was a perfect burnout. All right, now we just need to back up a little bit.
Yeah,
Let off brake.
There's smoke coming off the wheels.
All right, stop. Back up a little more. All right, that's good. Okay, drive. Now.
Go fast?
Yeah, and remember, like I told you, keep it over. Let me get this speedometer. All right, keep it in the middle. Keep the wheel straight. Don't turn the wheels. Keep them straight. All right, stop. Or brakes. There you go. Good job. Perfect. Well, you didn't have to stop like that. All right, that's good. All right, back. Put this foot on the brake now. Just take that foot off the brake over there. There you go. All right, good. Only drive with one leg, except for when you're doing a burnout. That was a really good burnout too. I mean, you just for a dry hop, clean the tires. Pretty sweet. Yeah, that's it, I guess. You just go ahead and drive. Go wherever you